In this episode of our SCiNiTO how-to series, we'll explore how to use the journal recommendation feature to find the most relevant journals based on your manuscript's title and abstract. Finding the right journal is one of the biggest challenges researchers face. SCiNiTO simplifies this process using AI-powered analysis. To begin, open the recommendation section and enter your manuscript's title and abstract into the designated fields. Once you've added your information, you can simply click on Get Recommendations. Before generating results, you also have the option to refine your search. You can filter journals by quartile ranking from Q1 to Q4 and apply the open access filter if you prefer journals with open publishing models. After clicking Get Recommendations, SCiNiTO displays journals ranked and color-coded according to their quartile classification. For each journal, you'll see the journal name, the publisher's name, and examples of similar articles that have been published in that journal. You can explore various topics covered by these journals. You can scroll through the list and see all the recommended journals, each accompanied by their respective quartile score, allowing you to make informed choices about where to submit your work. The left panel shows your recommendation history. That's how you can use SCiNiTO's journal recommendation feature to identify suitable journals, evaluate their relevance and impact, and make more confident submission decisions, all within a single AI-powered workflow. Try it yourself at SCiNiTO's website to make your research process smoother and more efficient.